Today we are at the University of Toronto and we're asking students random MCAT questions. Watch until the end because there's a question for you. That's right people, if you answer it correctly first in the comments, you get an Amazon gift card. Let's get on with the video.
Can you stop this?
I'm here with
Gloria,
and what are you doing at U of T?
I'm doing biomedical engineering master's.
Okay, well you should know this.
Hopefully.
Okay, let me ask you the first question. What is the monomer of nucleic acids? I'm going to give you some options.
Okay.
Nucleotide, amino acid, or monosaccharide?
I actually don't know. A monomer, I'm gonna go with nucleotide.
Okay.
So I'm here with
Anna.
And what program are you in, by the way?
I'm a 2T7 in medical school at the University of Toronto.
The first question I have for you is, what is the primary function of the Golgi apparatus? Is it protein modification, lipid synthesis, or ATP production?
I'll say protein modification.
Okay.
Hi, my name's Kunal.
And which program are you in?
Neuroscience at U of T.
So I'm going to ask you a few questions, and I'll give you options. So the first question is, during which phase of the cell cycle does DNA replication occur? G1, S, or G2?
S.
That's the right answer.
Yeah, let's go.
Almost got you there. Almost got you.
Ranesh, second year medical student.
You're a med student, so you should definitely know these.
Of course, of course.
Okay. So the first question is, what is the monomer of nucleic acids? There's three options. One, nucleotide, amino acid, or monosaccharide.
Nucleotide.
I guess that's coming in handy in med school, right?
Absolutely, it's definitely really important to know MCAT knowledge, all of it.
Okay, so what's your name?
Amrit.
And what are you studying?
Kinesiology.
At which university?
U of T.
At U of T. Nice, nice. So these questions are pretty relevant with what you're learning right now. So let's see how well you do. What is the name of the sugar found in DNA? Okay, is it glucose, ribose, or deoxyribose?
C. Deoxyribose.
That is the right answer. You didn't hesitate for a second there, eh?
No.
Pablo Gonzalez,
Pablo Gonzalez. What do you study?
medicine, second year.
Okay, a medicine second year at U of T. This is going to be interesting. So the first question we have for you, Pablo, is what is the monomer of nucleic acids? Is it a nucleotide, amino acid, or monosaccharide?
Nucleotide.
Okay.
Emma, nice to meet you. So what program are you in?
I'm minoring in health and disease and cell and molecular bio, and I'm minoring in immunology.
Okay, then you should know all these answers. Which process do cells use to engulf particles? This is easy. Like the first one is endocytosis, exocytosis, or pinocytosis.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Yeah. Which process do cells use to engulf particles?
Okay.
Yeah.
Endocytosis.
That is good. Why'd you seem stressed?
Because I was like, I was confused.
Joven.
And Joven, what are you studying here?
I'm a second year medical student here.
Okay, second year med student. All right. Well, what is the term for the process by which genetic information is transferred from DNA to RNA? Is it translation, transcription, or replication?
From DNA to RNA is DNA transcription.
Transcription. Okay, correct.
Of course.
Oh my God! This is what he does! This is what he flipping does! It's illegal!
Shreya. Camilla.
Rainy.
Michelle.
And what are you guys doing right now at U of T? NSAT. So the first question is, what is the monomer of nucleic acids? I'm going to give you three options. Nucleotide, amino acid, or monosaccharide.
Amino acid. Wait, no, nucleotide. It's a nucleotide.
It is nucleotide. That's correct. That's correct. Good job.
ACOM.
And what are you doing at U of T?
I'm a second year medical student.
Oh, damn. So you should know all these answers really well, eh?
We'll see, man.
During which phase of the cell cycle does DNA replication occur? The options are G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase.
I think it's the S phase.
You're right. You kind of hesitated in the middle there. Eh?
All right. Second question. Which process do cells use to engulf particles? There's three options. Endocytosis, exocytosis, or pinocytosis.
Endocytosis?
That is correct.
Okay, so second question. No one else has been asked this question.
Why?
Oh gosh.
Can you name two types of cardiac murmurs?
A diastolic murmur. Do you want more specific?
Sure.
Okay, we can have a pansystolic murmur, a holosystolic.
Okay, you're getting too detailed for me. I haven't learned this in a while.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Next question I have for you is, what is the name of the sugar found in DNA? Is it glucose, ribose, or deoxyribose?
Deoxyribose.
Wait, you were going to say ribose.
I was gonna, but I got ahead of myself.
No, that's good.
What is the term for movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane? A. Osmosis. B. Diffusion. C. Active transport.
Diffusion?
It's osmosis. That was close, so it's
I'm
just
sorry.
water. It's just fine. It's close enough.
It's fine, it's
close
fine.
enough.
During which phase of the cell cycle does DNA replication occur? The G1 phase, the S phase, or the G2 phase?
The S phase.
Okay, good job.
Since you mentioned kinesiology,
Yes.
right? So we have a tailored question for you. So which part of a cell that's a muscle fiber lets go of the calcium that's needed to contract the cell? So A, sarcoplasmic reticulum, B, endoplasmic reticulum, C, Golgi apparatus.
A. Sarcoplasmic reticulum.
Good job.
Thank you.
She is a kinesiology student.
Kinesiology is good.
Which organelle is responsible for producing ATP in a cell? Is it the mitochondria, the chloroplast, or the endoplasmic reticulum?
Brother, you gotta come up with harder ones. The mitochondria.
Alright man, just wait.
Let's go, bro.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
In a cell, which organelle is responsible for producing ATP? The three options are mitochondrion, chloroplast, or endoplasmic reticulum.
Mitochondria?
That is correct.
Yes.
Have you ever taken the MCAT before, or
No, I haven't.
so
actually.
there's no knowledge, just biology that you've taken in university?
Yeah, from like
Yeah.
high school. Actually, not
Yeah.
really uni.
Well, you did really well.
Good question. So I'm going to show you a picture. Which organelle is it?
This is the nucleus.
Okay, so he's A-star test. The confidence really did pay off there, Pablo.
Absolutely. I'm expecting for a big payout.
Which organelle is responsible for producing ATP in the cell? This is a hard one. Mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum.
That would be the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondria.
You got it. You got it. Okay, it's good. He passes. He's allowed into medical school.
That would be the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondria.
You got it.
Which organelle is responsible for producing ATP in a cell?
The mitochondria.
Okay, so you didn't let me.
Don't even need. I don't need the option.
Okay.
I'm stronger. I'm smarter. I'm better. I am better.
And the last question is, describe the metabolism of Ozempic in the human body.
Ozempic in the human body?
Yeah.
Do you know it?
Of course, bro. That's why I asked you.
What are you? You're a first year medical student, right? That's you should know
Yeah,
this
we
by
just
your
learned
level of
it.
training.
We just learned it.
All right,
yeah.
you go ahead. You
So I
start.
asked you the question, though.
I'm your senior. You know.
What type of bond holds amino acids together in a protein? So the three types are peptide bond, ionic bond, or covalent bond.
Peptide.
Wow! Are you guys really NSET students?
And now, just to spice it up at the end, could you name 3 diabetes medications?
3 diabetes medications. Well, it depends which diabetes we're talking about. I know metformin. We can have, that's for type 2, I guess. For type 1, we can have insulin injections.
That's smart. That was a good one you added there.
For type 1. So that's all we need, like type 1, type 2. I'm going to go, those are my go-to medications.
Oh, you're going to split it up into
That's it,
different boxes. That's how med students do it.
Exactly.
I get it. I'll take that answer for sure.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? I'll give you one more question.
Okay.
One more question. What is the term for the process by which genetic information is transcribed from DNA to RNA? Translation, transcription, or replication?
Transcription. Or is it translation? Translation.
Do not even. No.
Alright guys, you made it to the end of the video. If you can answer this question correctly first in the comments, you can win an Amazon gift card. The question is, how many questions did the Med Boys ask the university students in total in this video? Comment your answers below, and we hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you guys next Monday.